Efficiency is a skill set for operators looking to kick things up a level. For those of us living by the shell, its history can erase frustration and unlock untold potential. The Control-P and Control-N command switches in Bash allow for both backwards and forwards history navigation. Control-R can be used to search through Bash history. Often, we find ourselves running a command without the requisite permissions. No need to retype with sudo, however. Double bang causes Bash history to repeat the previous command. We can also run a previous command again, starting with any given set of characters. Another way to use Bash history is to invoke it by numeric reference. Finally, we can use negative indices to run previous commands again, not simply the last command that was executed. Another powerful feature of history is its support for parameter expansion, for those pesky situations where you've gotten part of a command wrong. This can also be a potent opportunity when performing repetitive tasks, as Bash history even allows you to use the parts of your current command to remake itself. Finally, we can put all of these components together by sequencing. Each of these facets of Bash history, used in conjunction, can raise your efficiency to the next level. As always, I'm Toussain. Happy hacking.